From your Canvas homepage, go to Settings.
Click on Import Course Content. Click on the pull-down menu. Select one. Select your file format. Our assignments is in QTI ZIP format. Choose the file from your computer, and then click Import. From the Canvas home page, go to Quizzes. Here is our file, Assignment 3. Let's edit the settings. From the pull-down menu, choose the type of the quiz. In this case, select Assignments. Modify the assignment settings. Students' access to the answers. Choose one day after the assignment is due.
Choose the due date.
This is the release date, when a student can begin the assignment. Leave this blank, so that students can review it at any time. Click Save. Click on Questions, to edit or add more questions. Click Show Question Details. Click on the edit, that's the pencil icon. Review the question and change the question value according to the level of difficulty. You can also edit the question, or reformat this graph. Don't forget to save. You are now all done. Click Save.